video, and today we're gonna be crafting the Windstorm device. Okay, let me get it going. So yeah, cause I just got with it. Here I got aquatic. It's the last thing. So let me just go ahead and go here. Aquatic and there we go. We already complete this. And in 3, 2, 1, back. And I think I got it. Before that, I'm gonna claim this too. I gotta break the space. It's very good. I gotta ruin the tail. Here. Yeah, I'm not gonna use it. It's going to stay forever in my collection. At least until I got another one. So I should be here. So what is this? It's R? No. Where is it? Oh, here, right. Okay, this is okay. Here. Yes, sir. Oh, this looks weird, but it's better. So I now got 150% luck and 34 speed. Better. So I will so wrong for this one. So yeah, now I have more. And look, this guy, I think he's just accidentally removing the ruin. I think so, I guess. So let's go. So I finally got the the Windstorm device. Yeah, I'm very excited for this, but I waited very long. No.